As technology keeps advancing, life keeps getting easier. Of course, from the definition of technology, we already know that's the main purpose, to make life easier. Now, with the recent boom of artificial intelligence, which is AI, many people are now making judicious use of it, especially in making money online. That's why, just like the title said, in this video, I'll be introducing to you a completely free AI tool which you can start making use of today and start making money online. And like the title also said, at least $5 in a day. All you need to do is to have the technical know-how, which I'll be guiding you in this very channel. You must have come across so many videos on YouTube talking about this tool, but they might tell you how to use it in a different way. But me, I'm completely introducing a new way which you can start making use of it, which is as simple as possible. It's not bogus. It wouldn't entails you introducing any other tool, but you use only this tool alone with just a simple prompt, and you generate what you want to generate and start making money online. And just like I said, all you need is a technical know-how, which I'll be guiding you through right here in this channel. So all you need to do is to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I put up another videos. Is a sequel. I want to like take you a step by step process till you achieve your aim, and that's the more reason why you should watch this video from the beginning to the end. So the tool I'll be talking about is a tool, like I said, you must have come across in almost every YouTube channel. It's a new tool and you can start making use of it today. And of course, it's completely free, and it's not yet saturated. It's not yet saturated. Yes, you can start making use of it and use it appropriately in the right way. And like I said, you can start making money from it. All you need to do is to generate video, create video which you upload in various platforms such as YouTube or any other video platform whereby you can easily monetize them. Remember, the aim is to make money, not just to create videos for excitement or entertainment, or maybe just for passion. The aim is to make money, and that's like what I said. I'll be guiding you through until you reach that height. And of course, I've used it, and of course, I'll also start making use of it using this very method I'll be telling you in this video. And the tool I'm talking about is none other than NotebookLM, which is probably owned by Google. And yes, like I said, it's completely free. So before I tell you what to do, like I said, need to have the technical know-how. Of course, by now you must have learned some video editing skills, which is not bogus. You can simply download any app from the Apple Play Store, maybe the Apple Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or if you have a desktop, they also have desktop version of various editing tools. So now you already know Notebook LM. Now let me introduce to you what I do to generate what I want to generate. And now, before we proceed, what already like we know we generate. In case if you don't know, let me tell you what people normally use Notebook LM to generate is actually podcast. The podcast niche is still very fresh. It's not really saturated. It's not really saturated in YouTube. It's not saturated in Facebook. It's not saturated in TikTok. And these are the three major platforms which are used to make money, and you can start making use of them too. So now, what you do, you create podcasts using the Notebook LM. Of course, we'll see an example when I jump into my laptop view, because I was doing that. And in case if you don't have a laptop and you think maybe you can't really do that, you can simply still do this using your mobile phone. The steps are still the same. The steps I was showing in laptop, if you follow it using your mobile phone, you still arrive at the same result. So now we'll go to Notebook LM, just like you already know, and we'll generate a podcast, and I will tell you what to do with the podcast subsequently, and how you can edit them and upload them to either your YouTube channel, your TikTok page, or your Facebook page. So if you haven't created any profiles in this three social media platform that I said, after watching this video, you should go and create it. Like I said, it's a step-by-step process. I'll be walking you through till you reach and achieve what you want to achieve. So that's why I said you should hit the subscribe button and watch this video to the end. So now, from now, we'll be jumping to my desktop, my laptop over there, and I'll show you how to do that using the laptop, and follow the same step if you have a mobile phone, and you arrive at the same result. So now let's go first of all and generate a podcast, and I'll tell you what to do after that. So now let's go. But hold on, before we jump into my laptop screen, I forget to introduce myself. Chibuzagwa is my name, and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel you're watching. It's actually a technology related channel whereby I teach tutorials on how to do things and carry out functions easily. And of course, like I said, how to do things easily all by yourself. So you're already part of this channel if you've hit the subscribe button. I'm giving you a beer hug, and also if you like this video, give it a thumb up, and don't also forget to drop your comments in the comment section in whatever aspects you might be confused after watching this video. So now haven't done that, now let's move to my laptop screen. Let me show you how to generate that podcast using Notebook LM by Google. So now we are now on my laptop view. Now, before we proceed, first you need to know is that this niche or following this procedure is actually good for people who wants to recreate or produce a faceless YouTube channel or a faceless TikTok page. So if you don't want to show your face, then using this method is quite simple. Now on the laptop, and you just have to open your browser. In this case, sorry, let me open Mozilla. Okay, now all you have to do on the search bar, you type and search for Notebook LM. So you can see and you hit enter. So the first one actually is the one you choose, which is Notebook LM by Google. You see, select it. So now once you're here, yes, you see this. Now you just click on try Notebook LM. So automatically, if you're logged into your Gmail account, it will see that you've already logged in. But if in case you've not, it will have to log you in. So as you can see at the top right portion is my image, which means I'm already logged into my Gmail account. These two are already audios or podcasts I've created earlier on, so there's no need going to them. So now once you're here, you see something like this. The next you have to do is to tap on create new. Let's create new one. There you now see something like this. You can grab and drop a file that you already created in your notebook. But as in this case, let's create from the scratch. Like I told you, I want to like use a simple prompt. But if you already have your text, you can easily choose these options. Either you save them on your Google Docs or your Google Slides, anyone. Or if you want to like analyze a link, all you have to do is to copy the link. It might be a YouTube channel link or a blog article link. Copy it and use this process, which is the second one, website or YouTube. Once you paste the link, of course, it will analyze it into a podcast. But in this case, let's use a prompt, like I said. So we type on, yes, of course, paste the link, copy text. Now, once you're here, like I said, in most videos you might have watched on YouTube, all you have to do is to copy the text you generated on ChatGPT. But in this case, we want to like use a prompt. So all I have to do is to type a prompt. Let's type a prompt. For instance, if your niche is in the educational niche, let's do education, for example, and you want to create a podcast about an educational topic. So now let me type, for instance, I can say podcast about the importance of child education in Africa. So as you can see, I type a prompt. I say create a podcast about the importance of childhood education in Africa. All I have to do now is to click on insert. So you can see. Then once you're here, just the next thing you to do is just type on. It said, like I said, the source is a prompt to create a podcast about. So see, all I have to do is to create a prompt. So the summary I've given where the source is coming from. So once you are sure of what you've written there, that is correct. The next thing you have to do is to click on generate. And of course, this might take a little bit of time. So all I have to do is to like pause this video. So once the video the audio is being generated, I will play the video once again. So as you can see, it has fully generated. It actually take place in less than a minute, but I have to pause the videos not to waste your time. As you can see, it's a 5 minutes 50 seconds video. Now let's play and listen to what it generated, and you tell me if it is perfect or not.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. This time, we're diving into something I know a ton of you are super curious about. The best tech skills to snag those awesome remote jobs.
Yeah, remote work is definitely having a moment, right?
Totally. Seems like everyone's dream.
So that's just a snippet as you can listen to. So now all you have to do, once this has been generated, and of course you've gotten your audio, they are quite perfect. They are perfect. Let me tell you the truth. So you have to like click this hamburger icon, then you see download. So once you download the audio to your either your phone or your laptop device, now you have a generated audio. I don't have to do is to like move to any video editing software. Like for instance, I use CapCut to generate this. Now let's play a little for you to hear. So this is a perfect post. All I have to do is to export this video and upload them to my YouTube channel or TikTok page. So you see the method of generating a podcast, like we just saw from my laptop view, is quite different from what most people might have taught you on YouTube. All they say is go to ChatGPT, generate the prompt, and create a podcast. But you see, by just keying in the right prompt, of course, Notebook LM will generate all the appropriate podcasts you need. Now you've gotten your audio. All you have to do is to go to any video editing platform. We have CapCut, we have Canva, we have DaVinci Resolve, we also have Adobe Premiere Pro. Use any of them to generate, how would I put it, video or speakers. But in some cases, podcast is mostly listened to. So people will prefer listening to the voice overs alone rather than watching an animated cartoon speaking. So you can simply design any podcast logo or using CapCut especially. Just create it, then put in the voice over below. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to do that. Like I said, I don't want to make this video lengthy enough. That's why I'm cutting it. And like I said, it's a sequel, it's a step-by-step process. So let's call this a part one. And we'll go for part two if you actually give me a comment section and tell me what you like to see in the next video. Is it how to generate a podcast using Canva, using CapCut, or using any other video editing software you might already have? So tell me in the comment section which one of them you'd like me to show an example of how to create a video, and then I will do that. I don't want to make this video lengthy enough. It's a step-by-step process. But if you already know have the technical know-how on how to generate videos using CapCut, go ahead and do that and tell me in the comment section how successful you are so far. But in case you don't know, tell me what you need in the comment section below. So we'll see in my next video. Chibuzo Agowa remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So go to the playlist and watch other videos. And yes, we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.